How to buy PayPay on bitget in PC. Now first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget account. Now we have two options. Now the first option is by converting our crypto to the PayPay to be able to buy it. Now for that, make sure you have enough balance of that crypto that you want to convert. Now I will just search for convert option, and after you find it, as you can see, zero fees, no slippage. Now click on it. Now after a while, now make sure you select the crypto that you have the balance on your account. Now for me, for example, I will select USDT. Now from here, switch this and search for PayPay. Now here, enter how much of USDT you want to trade. For example, 100. And for a few seconds, as you can see, you will receive here how much you will receive. Now click on preview. Now, as you can see, you will receive this amount of the PayPay. Now here, conversion rate is 1 PayPay, it's equal by USDT. Now payment method is by spot account. And as you can see, there are transaction fees. And after that, click on update quote. And you will be able to confirm that by this time counting. Now after that, as you can see, now you can convert your USDT to PayPay and buy it. Now the other option is by buying the PayPay by your country currency. Now how to do that? Just head over to buy crypto and click on quick buy. Now after that, make sure you select the buy option. Now from here, select your country currency, and from here, select the coin that you want to buy from. For this, I will select PayPay. Now here, enter how much you want to buy of this coin. Now click on buy PayPay, and now you will be able to pay with Visa or MasterCard. Now click on add card and pay 100 USD, and for a while you will be able to see this page. Now fill all of this information, and after that click on next, and you will be able to buy PayPay on bitget in PC. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.